Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to embed a tweet on Wix website. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix website, you're going to decide the section that you would like to embed the tweet. So for example, let's say this section, or if you don't have a blank section and you would like to create one, all you'll need to do is hover over the section, then tap on add section. After you have done that, you're going to see a pop-up window appear, and from there you could tap on blank section in the top left hand corner. So you could do that real quick and then you'll get a blank section. Now after doing that, all you'll need to do now, you're going to open a new tab and you're going to go onto Twitter. So you're going to go onto twitter.com. Then from there you're going to search for the tweet that you would like to embed. So let's say for example this tweet right here. You're going to tap on the three dots in line with the tweet name. Then you're going to tap on embed post. After selecting embed post, you're going to be redirected to a new page. And you can see you can either choose to embed video or embed post, as you can see here. For this example, I'm going to select embed post. After you have selected the option that you want, you're going to see copy code. You're going to simply tap on copy code. Once you have copied the code, you're going to go back into Wix. Then you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, tap on add elements, which is the plus in the top left hand corner, and you're going to select embed code. Then from there you're going to select embed HTML. So you're going to tap on embed HTML. After you have done that, what I want you to do next, in the box right here, you're going to simply tap there and you're going to paste in the code that you have copied. After pasting in the code, you're going to simply slightly slide down. Then you're going to tap in the box once more. Once you see the update option pop up, you're going to tap on update. Once it has been updated, all you'll need to do now is close the pop-up box. Then from there, you can edit how the tweet or the post looks by simply pulling along the cursor right here. And we can also move it up. So we're going to drag it up right there. And then you can edit how it looks. And that is it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.